Testosterone is one of the most widely discussed topic when it comes to men's sexual health, and we are told that it is only exercise that can boost these hormone levels. No doubt, exercise plays an important role in boosting our testosterone levels. However, it is not the only factor. And it is really important to understand the biochemistry behind how we can regulate our testosterone levels. So you need to remember four things. First, your gut microbiome actually produces certain cofactors and neurotransmitters that boost your testosterone production. Second, your testosterone is a metabolic hormone, right? So your body may be producing enough of testosterone, which you can check via a normal test. But if your cells are inflamed, if your cell membranes are inflamed, they cannot express testosterone receptors on its surface. Testosterone cannot bind to these receptors. They cannot communicate with the cells. They cannot regulate your glucose metabolism, your bile acid metabolism, your fatty acid synthesis, and you end up gaining weight. Third thing is, both men and women produces both testosterone and estrogen, and there's a specific enzyme that can convert testosterone into estrogen, and the function of this enzyme depends upon your body fat, which again depends upon the chronic inflammation, which again is triggered by your gut microbiome, right? So the right level of these enzymes can do this bioconversion of testosterone into estrogen, and this is very important because estrogen plays an important role in your cardiovascular health. It stimulates nitric oxide production, which dilates your blood vessels and have cardioprotective benefits, right? Second is, since estrogen stimulates nitric oxide production, it also regulates your sexual health. It also regulates your brain health. Fourth thing is, testosterone actually potentiates nitric oxide production, and if your endothelial cells are functioning well, it can stimulate nitric oxide production, which have an overall impact on your longevity, your cardiovascular health, your metabolic health, and you can prevent onset of type 2 diabetes, and you can even boost your brain health and sexual health, right? So it is very important to understand this biochemistry and how your microbiome, how your cells are interacting to stimulate testosterone production, and whether your body is producing enough of this enzyme to convert testosterone into estrogen, which is very important for your cardiovascular.